Hey, it's me, I'm JC. It's where to call me, and welcome back to my channel. I am Jermaine. I am Jermaine, that's me. And today is actually going to be a part 2 for hair porn. So, hair porn Tuesdays, don't you wanna? Or just hair porn, don't you wanna? Because I don't know how you can watch it. So, what we're going to do today is this. I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to do to add moisture back to my twist. Eris is going to have its own segment soon, so watch out for tomorrow and Thursday. They're going to be 2 different videos, and I'm going to be showing you about that tomorrow and the next day. But as far as today, which, premieres today on Tuesday, so let's go. Now, this is what my hair looks like right at the moment. Yes. What we're going to do now is give it LOC Method, and I'm going to show you what I'm using to wrap it up. Now, honestly, this hairstyle I miss so much. It's weird when I do 2-strand twists and stuff like that. I normally don't keep it that long. This is, at this moment, when y'all see it, it will be a lot longer. But actually, I did my hair, I think, Friday. So it's Friday. So it's been truly, at the moment, 8 days. When you'll see it, that will be day 11. So I don't know. But I have made it, and I think I did it really smaller. My back is bigger than the front. As you know, that's kind of how I roll. I don't really like my back to be real small. And don't mind the shirt. This is a feminine shirt. I don't know. I got a stain on it. It's really clean cut, but it's a one stain. I don't know. I put product on stuff and things happen. Okay, ready? Let's go. So, what's going on right now is this. What I'm using today, I'm going to show you my LOC method. Now, this is not the same traditional LOC method. This is when I have everything that I normally do. But I do have everything ready. So, first point out links, what I did for installment was 3. Now, I use this was my go. This is my go-to. This is my first thing I've been using, like my last video showed you, was a full wash day into hairstyling for winter hairstyles. Is Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore from Shea Moisture line. Now I use the leave-in conditioner, and then I use for my oil mix. Right here. And last but not least, I actually use the Braid and Lock butter. The butter is not in here with me because I'm not going to be using that. I'm going to be showing you a different version of what I'm using for my hair is installed. Because really, to say this, I don't like using everything when it comes to my hair being already done. I'm not going to add full-on moisture, as in like my aloe vera juice. Main reason why, because my hair is already done. Naturally, when your hair is in protective style, you don't need to add too much moisture because you're trying your best to not get too wet because your hair will unravel. My hair has learned not to unravel as much as it used to. When I was younger, this is a weird story. My hair was so soft that when I had braids for a long time, I had to have rubber bands, and the rubber bands still didn't work. Then I had to get a different type of style because my hair was that soft. So naturally, if you're ever going with this, please try your best to use rubber bands or something sparingly at your end of your hair that you will find will work. Just saying that right now. So without further ado, let's give you a LOC version. I'm going to give you a LOC method for when my hair is like this. If you want to try it at home, that'd be so dope. Alright, first but not least, I'm going to add this. This is going to be my C. Actually, this is going to be my L. This is a leave-in conditioner, but also what's great about it is that, like I told you last video, the great thing part about it is this. Woo! This. So, first but not least, why is this like this? If you're asking that question, this is like this because it's an L. This is L is because it's a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are naturally a little bit more watered down. That's not because of the Shea Moisture. A lot of leave-in conditioners naturally have a watered down effect because first ingredient is water. And also because it's supposed to spread all of your hair and get all your strands from like your roots to the end. So what's so special about this is that it has a lot of great ingredients and a lot of key ingredients. And it's also to moisturize your hair. Now let me get a little bit more. And then I'm going to just close it back up. Yes, with my hair being like already done, I naturally do like this. I'm going to do the praying hand method like this, and you just get all your strands, kind of like this, and you go upwards, kind of like, I'm going to go like this, because I'm on camera as well, and I try my best not to mess up my shape. You just go up and go back down, and you get all around, and let's give you a little bit more detail, like right here. I'm not gonna mess with the ends of mine so much because my ends have moisture, but I'm just gonna add like this, just like that, just Like, you see how that like natural will just pack down? That's all we're doing. Don't do too much because your hair can still unravel any given minute. And then we add our oil. My oil mix is already ready. Like when I say ready, that means this. All I do is spray it. Now, what that means is this also. Now, if you don't want to spray it, you do two different things. You can spray it in your head, or you can just spray it on your hand. If you spray it in your hand, please remind yourself. A lot of oil mixers like mine or yours naturally does not have like a pure white oil. So if you have something that you do not have a shirt on or something on else that you don't love, it works. Now, it's like this and you can wash it out and you can get that coloration out. You do you. Go ahead. Now, that's why I'm telling you that right now. Why I do in a spray bottle is a lot of different reasons. Well, the main reason is because I got tired of my shirts getting sometimes ruined because of my oil mix. Being natural has its woes. And key ingredients like this that's in this bottle that's very essential for my hair is one of the reasons why it sometimes be like, I have to oil my scalp. I may have to ruin a good shirt. And that happens. Just as a little keynote for people like, oh my God, but what if I you? This is what I'm saying. Get you just a spray bottle. Ready? And you're just going to spray one side and you spray the other. I got my back part. And it happens. Okay, ready? And you just spray a little bit in your hands, just like I'm about to do. Palm method on. Ready, set. We're going to just let that go. That's going to bother me. Ready? Let's go. Like this. And like this, as you see, my hair is going to like, your hair naturally will loosen up a little bit. And it's going to expand. More you expand it. Yeah, that happens. And right now, just make sure you kind of just give yourself a little bit of a natural like massage. It's going to help stimulate your scalp. And but not least, we're going to do our cream. Now, our cream this time is different because I'm obsessed with this. Yes, Shea raw butter. Why is this? Because it's a good cream. This is a butter. This is Palmer's Shea Butter with vitamin E. This is raw shea butter. This is what the top looks like. And if you go to grocery stores or go to stores like this is what it looks like. Now, why is this? It's because this has raw shea butter. That is the goal. So what does this look like? Right here, ready? It has a yellowish hue. If you don't see this in my first video, seeing this, like, oh, I want to try this. Okay, ready? This is what it comes off as well. Now, what butters means this. It will come on. When you put it on your hair, you have to rub. You have to rub. Why are we rubbing so much? Because naturally, if you don't, this will be on your hair. Yes. And that's kind of not a bad thing, but it's not the best thing because in a weird way, then you look like you have flakes. And you don't have flakes in your hair. It's just the butter. It's just the butter. And you just kind of just smooth it in just like I did before. I just move my hair back and I place back in front. So I kind of like the shape. I love the shape. And you just add this butter in. That's it. See how simple that is? Now, how am I sleeping? Let's go up a little bit. From time to time, I want to be honest with you. When I'm in this protective style, my roots look like this a lot. It's because I sleep mostly just with my satin pillowcase. And I know I might help a lot because it sometimes messes up the shape. And you're like, really? Really, that sucks? Yes, it does. When I'm saying that to you all is like this. For some of y'all were like, but what about getting all that out? I don't really care. I'm at year 3. What I'm saying is this. For those new naturals that are like, I want to be like on my P's and Q's, being Q's, you'll forget it from time to time. I'm in literally week 2, so some fuzz happens. I'm going to just show you that real quickly. You see how my scalp looks? It's really clean. That's because I keep my scalp really just moisturized and that's it. But from time to time, I do really want to sometimes just look a little bit better. So why not have a wrap? This is my kind of like, it's like a scarf, but it's like a do-rag too. And why is that? Because it doesn't have like the ends. The ends are really thick. So naturally when I do wrap my hair, all I'm going to do is this. And it gives most of your hair up, kind of like this. And you just wrap one time over. And you just secure it right there. I'm going to secure it like that. And then you just tie it once to twice. And you just make a knot. And naturally it's going to stay on. Let's make this look a little bit better. Alright. And that's how I sleep. You ask this question like, why am I showing you all this? Winter care, a lot of times, it's just really a good protective style for a lot of people. Why are we in winter care? It's because our hair, a lot of y'all want your hair to flourish. A lot of y'all really, and a lot of people are like, I want my hair to grow, or I want my hair to grow, I want this to happen, I want this to happen, I want this to happen. Because it's winter, your hair will grow just as much as in the summer, as in spring, as in fall. It's just because it's colder. So why do winter care steps matter? Is so you won't mess this up. Your hair is going to grow, whether you touch your hair if you don't. Let's get that out there, always. But in the protective style, as I have, what this does is free my hands from messing up my curls. And it also free up time. So this is like, oh, wake up every 2 or 3 days, add it. This is literally my second time adding moisture back to my hair. And that's, again, 8 days. So that's like 4 days. Do it 4 days. If I do it like 2 week spans, I'll do it again on the 12th day. You know what I'm saying? See how simple that is? That's what's so amazing about having protective styles. And yes, my twins are still yummy. And also, yes, I am missing my curls too. I am frantically missing them like crazy. I'll sometimes go with looking at like Instagram or Facebook and be like, the way we were. Memories. Let me stop before I start going into my little nanny moment. Now, what I will say is you always like this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about your hair, especially during the winter, I got you all year long. If you just leave your comments down below, I will talk to you and everything like that. If you need any prior discussions, I will link to my bio for my Facebook, my Instagram, and if you're still on Tumblr, for those that stay for the creativity, I'm on Tumblr too. So we can talk about anything, especially when it comes to hair. See you in the next one. If you love this video, thumb me up. If you want to share this video, thank you so much to share. And also talk about your hair care practices, because I'm not the only one. And I know that a lot of y'all have good and bad things that happens to our hair. And I got you for any video that you want me to talk about. And I'll see you with the next one.